Hey guys, so I'm going to try to make this video as quick as possible. So the title of today's video is why should you try to make it to travel industry events as travel agents? Listen, you guys just saw our videos and our posts about our Las Vegas event. It was absolutely amazing. We had fun. Listen, we had too much fun. I had so much fun. I could not make it to all of the mixers. I'm like, I'm done. I can't. I've did too much. It's like literally all day travel, learning, travel, food, just any and everything about the travel industry. There's so many different vendors that are at these events. Like, let me pick up these cards here. I brought business cards and I ran out. Look, these are business cards from suppliers, you guys. There are over 250 suppliers there, okay, at this Las Vegas travel agent forum. And so I really hope to see some of you guys, if not all of you guys, at the Las Vegas travel agent forum. We are working on our own room blocks for that specific event. I was looking at the MGM, but I was thinking, well, the MGM is not like right there. It's going to be held at Paris, Las Vegas for this next year that's coming up. So I wanted to try to get maybe a hotel that's closer. But all of these, listen, I brung business cards. I ran out. I was like, this is embarrassing. I literally brought a stack of business cards like this. I brung a lot. And so the great thing about industry events, you get to see people, from suppliers that suppliers that you don't know. You see all kinds of vendors, like vendors that you didn't even think of would give us commission. So let me actually jump over. So over on my Facebook page, I did post the schedule of what it looked like. So I'm going to try to share this with you guys. And so I want to run over it really fast. All right. So yeah, you guys should be able to see it. So this was it on April? So it's not in any order. I was trying to put the pictures in order, but I'm in a rush. So the pictures and stuff are not in order, but I want to show you, what we did, what we talked about. And so these are the different topics and the different like breakout sessions. So we did all-inclusive strategies to attract every client. That was a whole session. And then understanding travel insurance for your clients and business. And then so down here at the bottom, exhibit floor is basically the suppliers were there on the floor. And then we got to go see them, talk to them, get business cards, just, hang out with them. All right, come on. This thing is, all right. So let me go back. I'll start here. All right. So that was on one of the days. And so I think this was on the last day, the exhibit floor, exhibit 4, and they gave away so many different prizes. Towards the end, I will show you guys the prizes. But over here, they got the Las Vegas Learning More. So a lot of the events was hosted by Las Vegas. But best practices, I'm just going to go over it real fast. And I haven't even had time to like crop out the top, but it's okay. All inclusive. This is an amazing resort in Mexico. We got Vax over here. Let me make this a little bit bigger. Exhibit floor, and then these are the mixers over here. And so this one was hosted by Caesars. I did not get a chance to go to that. I was tired, y'all. I went to one of them, but I was done when I say done. But let's see how to get the most out of your host. Luxury travel, ready, set, go, how to close a sale, right? How to succeed. And, I'm just going to go through them. Okay. It was a lot of them. It's so much to learn. And so, like I said, we got a chance to visit lots of suppliers. So you guys remember, Expedia called us and, I had a chance to speak with somebody that's higher up in marketing. I had a chance to meet her there. I had no idea that she was going to be there. I had a chance to meet Miss Melissa. She was so super sweet. Let's see who else. I had a chance to meet absolutely Cuba. She is amazing. I do recommend reaching out to her if you guys are ever trying to go to Cuba, but she was on the panel as well. And here are my 3 travel agents that did make it. Hey, Miss Shaquita, Miss Alicia, and Miss Julie. I'm sorry, Miss Julie, your eyes are closed. I did not even realize, but you're still cute. You're still cute. Okay. Let's see. And so Sandals there. Sandals actually sponsored lunch for us. It was good. It was really nice lunch. And so this is at one of the mixers on the first night. Was it the first night? Yeah, I think it was the mixer from the first night. It was at, I forget but it was like at a ale house. What was it? Oh man, I got to go back and look at one of the things, but this is our first night, our first mixer. Let's see, but we met a lot of different suppliers there. So this is us at the Travelify presentation. This is Garfield. He is the Couples Resorts Business Development Manager for us that are in the United States. And we are going to be having a webinar with Garfield soon. This is Miss Penny. Hey, Miss Penny. Miss Penny is one of our YouTube subscribers. She walked up to me. She was like, I watch your videos all the time. I'm like, oh my gosh. But hey, Miss Penny, I know she's probably going to watch this video. All right. And then, so look, these were some of the prizes. So towards the end, they gave away all of these prizes. Look, 7-night European river cruise, Las Vegas for 4 people, 2 nights at Caesars, 3 nights at Grand Costa Mujeres, 4 people in Jamaica, 4 nights in Mexico. Let's just go through 150,000 Expedia tap reward points, Galapagos, Mexico. It just goes on and on and on. There's some Iceland and the Maldives. You guys, listen. They were really showing out. These suppliers were definitely showing out with what they could offer us. And so what they can offer us, and then also with these prizes. And then so also, I know a lot of you guys do want to go to other industry events. And that's what I want to do partly in this video really fast as well. So these are some of them that's going to be coming up. So they got the romance forum. But what I want besides the date, because I know that people are going to watch this well after 2023, pay attention to the URL. So if you're doing romance, go to Romance Travel Forum. And so that's going to get you caught up on that. I'm looking into the agency forums, European, if you have a lot of Europe trips right here, European TA forum, and then family right here. This is me. I'm going to try to be there. Family TA forum, and then the travel agent forum for Las Vegas is right here for 2024. Okay. And so look, you can just go to travelsmg.com and that'll have all of the upcoming forums there. Okay. And so let me quickly show you this as well while I got you guys on. So if you guys come on over here to Vax, come on over to Vax World. And so inside of Vax, I want to show you this. And to get to the industry calendar, you go to Compass, and Compass, hover over industry calendar there, and then you'll come to here. And so these are, I can't say all of the industry events are here, but most of them are here, okay? So let's see if you wanted to learn something, do a webinar on one of these. You literally click on it, it'll take you to the webinar, or it'll take you to the sign up section, okay? So that is VAGS. Let's jump over here on Ensemble. If you want additional training, let's see, inside of Ensemble, you go to training, and then you're going to go to training and webinars. And so they have extra trainings every Wednesday, additional trainings, and they have trainings on Thursdays as well. So, and then also don't forget about your University of Ensemble as well. They have lots and lots of trainings there. And then so the last one that I do want to show you guys is this one here. So this is ASTA. If you guys don't know what ASTA is, it's the American Society of Travel Advisors, okay? And so this is not free. It's going to cost you maybe about $200 and something per year, but I guarantee you it's well worth it. You get a lot of stuff with ASTA. Maybe we'll do a whole different session on ASTA, but come on over here to asta.org and just have a peek. And so these are some of the industry events that are going to be going on with ASTA. Specifically, you have to be with ASTA. Well, you know, no, you don't have to be with ASTA to join some of these events because you can pay as a non-ASTA member, okay? So over here, we got Global Convention coming up. I won't be able to make it to that one, but listen, I was trying. And then so over here, you got Legislative Day, the Caribbean Showcase, Travel Masters. And let's go to view all events. It may make me sign in. Okay, so I don't think it's making me sign in, which is good. I mean, I have a login, but yeah, I am with ASTA. You guys should be too. I don't press it because, it's not one of the things that's free, but like I said, I think it's well worth it. You get a lot, but look at this calendar. So many different events. I just went to an event, an ASTA Florida event. This was a few months ago, earlier in the year, okay? So that's all I really, really wanted to show you guys. Listen, it is well worth it to go to these supplier events. Like, these are contacts. These are people, these are the people that are going to be on the ground to help you, help your clients. If something happens, if you need a property inspection, if you don't know something about the property, listen, this is money. This is money right here. These are going to be the people to help you make the most out of their product. They know their own product in and out. Okay. So go to these events. Okay. I haven't even had a chance to go through all of these cards. Most of them, there are suppliers that I want to, touch bases with. And so I just have to put them into my system and start communicating with them. But listen, there are over 250 suppliers, and I know for sure I didn't get a chance to talk to all of them. So that's all I wanted. If you guys have any questions about industry events or how to find more of them, hey, just reach out to me. I'll talk to you guys soon.